What is going on, Galaxy Squad? My name is Ishan Surjit and welcome back to Lokicraft. So, in the last video we left off... Oh wait, where am I? Okay, so in the last video we left off with the railroad, right? So in that railroad video, what did we do? We made the railroad longer and started making a village, right? So I did some things like off camera. If you guys want to see that, I'll show you. Yeah. So I've put some powered rails on the railroad, as you guys can see, so that the mine carts can go through, so that it looks like a real, you know the drill, so that it looks real. So let's start by making it like longer, like that. So I'm gonna make it as long as I can, and when oh my god, remove this tree. I don't need it. Remove it. Okay, so when I make it as long as possible, like where we left off. Wait. Oh my goodness. So when I finish making all this railroad and putting the redstone repeaters down, so that's what I'm gonna try and do. Come on, man, come on. Okay. Oh wait, no, I need some other kind of rails, like this one. Okay, so let's go right there, and here also. Let's go. Okay, like that. So let's finish this off and put the redstone all down. Okay, so the redstone's down. So where is... right here. Okay, so I need birch wood. Yeah, right there. Okay. So putting this down is gonna take a while. Come on, look at the trees. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. Come on. So this is gonna take a while when I try and do this, because it takes a while actually. It takes a while. Okay, so now I just need a redstone. I need redstone. Wait, redstone. Wait, come on, man, go fast. How long? Okay, I also need redstone repeaters. I think repeaters are down here. Yeah, right here. No, not the compactor. I'm picking the wrong item sometimes. Okay, so right, that. It works, right? Yeah, it works. Okay. The repeater doesn't work like that. What about like this? Does the repeater work? Oh, it does work. Okay, the repeater works like that. So let's put... wait. Okay, wait. I need to put it right here. Can't. Give me some birch planks. Okay. Now put this there. And now like that. Okay. So this is gonna be a nice little, railway track. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, like that. No. Okay, good. I'm always putting the wrong thing down. Like that. How do I... Wait, I actually forgot. Wait, how did I do that? Like that. The same thing is supposed to be... Oh wait, it can describe it. Give me. Oh, come on. Yeah, you're dead. Okay. Okay, so I did it at least. Here. Here. I'm getting closer. Okay. Right there. I mean, this looks legit. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Getting cool. Getting good. Look at that. No. Okay. Redstone. Oh, okay. So now this way also. The same thing. So now the other side also we have to do. No? Yeah, let's do. Alright. Wait. Right there. No. Okay. That like that. That like that. Like that. Okay. Okay. Ah. Okay. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay, so when I finish, I'm gonna try and make that village a bit more, bigger. So that's what I'm gonna try and do today. Okay, so like that. So if I can, so I'll do as much as I can in this video, and if I cannot, oh no, oh my gosh. Okay, like that, right there. Okay, actually I missed a spot. Okay, like that. So when I make it as, when I make it as long as I can, I'll start. When I can make it as long as possible, I'll start making that village longer. Wait, no, there. Okay. No, not there. Okay, there. There. Okay. And then I have to put the. So after this, I have to put the redstone down. Hey. Oh, kill it. Die. Okay. I don't know why I'm killing that zombie. I'm not even in survival mode. Okay, like that. Okay. My XP is like coming towards me. Okay. So now let's go put the redstone down. So from where is it gonna start? From here, right? No. Oh my gosh. So bad at this. Okay. So then this goes under. Right there. Okay. Right there. Okay. So now let's go to the other side and wait. So let's wait. Where is it? I can't see it. Wait, right there. Can't see. Let me. No. Okay, right there. Isn't it through there? Wait. Yep, it is through there. Right there. Go on there. Wait, no, let me put our repeater down. Okay. So now go to the other side and wait. Come on. No. Okay. Now put the repeater down. Okay, right there. Okay. Come on, man. Okay. Right there. So now let's start by making it all longer. Come on. Oh, wait, can I just do this? Will this work? Nah, not gonna do that. Come on. Okay, like, wait, I have to put it together. Okay, right there. Wait, no, forget about that. Okay, now put the repeater. No, now put the repeater down. Okay. Where does it end? Right there. Right here, there. Okay. So break this and put the birch wood down. No. Put the birch wood down. And then the redstone. Running out of night vision, but I don't need it. Alright. Okay, right there. Wait, no, crouch and put it down. Okay. Okay, that works. Where is it? Okay, right there. Okay. I mean, this looks nice. This looks good. This looks amazing, actually. Okay, right there. And okay. Right there. So this is the progress I've made with the power rails and the redstone. So I couldn't really do much with the village. In the last video, I started making the village. And I also found a cave. Like, I mean, I didn't find a cave. I'm starting a mine. I started a mine also last video. If you guys missed that video, you can go back and check it out. So I'm making like a garbage system. I'll show that to you guys. Yeah, like right here. So this is my garbage system. Throw like an item into it and it goes into the lava. See, I can also jump. Ah! See, there's also a cave right here that I can, like, put that redstone repeater down. Okay, so this is like the waste area. So in the next video, we're gonna make the railway road longer and make the mine deeper, and maybe we'll also start something with the village. And the next video, we'll do all that, and then the next video after that, we're gonna do a whole lot of stuff. Alright guys, bye guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.